Hi, this tutorial is about using the SAS University Edition and accessing your files through the University Edition. So as you can see, I have my VirtualBox window open. I make sure that before I start the VirtualBox, I click on Settings and go to my Shared Folders section here. You want to click on the tiny Add Folder icon here, where you can point to the folder that you want to share with the virtual instance. Here I've selected my SAS University folder that I've created, located in my home folder, and then I click on Start to start the SAS University Edition VM. It will take a while to start, but once we are loaded and ready to go, which might take some time, we will then open up a browser here. I have one open, and we go to localhost 180, and we'll wait for this thing to finish before we can connect. And this is one of the easiest ways to install a version of SAS on your laptop. So give this a few more seconds here, and you will see a black screen that says please connect to localhost 180, and we'll do that and put that in the browser. So as you can see, it started to load already, and I have to enter it again, but I'm going to wait a little bit for it to finish here so that you can see what the window looks like once it's ready to go. In the meantime, I can click on Start SAS Studio here. You can notice that the path up here is localhost 180. That is accessing the virtual machine that I've spun up through VirtualBox. Okay, so I'm back in the VirtualBox window here, and this is the message that you get. You can connect to the SAS University Edition software by entering this address in your browser, localhost 180. Okay, so we did that, and now because we shared our folders here, you can see that under folder shortcuts, my SAS University folder is accessible here. So in reality, it's in my files, but because I've shared a folder with the instance, I can easily access this folder. So first thing I'm going to do is libname, and then shift and right click, or just go to properties in this case, and copy the location here. So I'm going to right click on the folder, scroll down to properties, and then enter that folder. It should be called folders, my shortcuts, SAS University. I'm going to run that code there, and you will see that my libref, in this case lion, was successfully assigned. So that will allow me to work with the software, load it in, so I can do data, temp data, run, actually it's set health, lion health state. There's a way to turn off all of the pop-ups that it'll make it easier for you to run the code without so much of the pop-ups here. You have to go into the settings and search a little bit, but those you can disable. So if I run that data step, you'll see that my interface looks slightly different, but it's the output of the data set here. So if I zoom out a little bit on my browser, I can see more of the data here. So that's what the output data tab is showing here. I can go back to my code and show you the code here. So that's the basics of working with the SAS Studio within the SAS University Edition. Make sure that you download the VirtualBox emulation software, and then that you download the SAS University Edition um, add-on or application. Um, Thanks for watching, and um, let me know in the Slack channel if you are having issues with this. Thanks.